Hey everyone, this is Angga from Indonesia. Welcome back to my video in YouTube. And in this video, we're going to continue about the Vue.js for the JavaScript, right? So in this video, we're going to learn about how can we make the filter and searching the data as a real time. So basically, we are going to use the function which is called filter function from the Vue.js. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to make uh, the small library, which is my books. In the my books, that I have a lot of books here. Okay, so after that, we have to design the content first as the dummy content. So in the after row, we create row again and call for. Okay, because we want to divide by 3. So that's why I use the column number 4, which is 12 divided by 3 is, 12 divided by 4 is 3. This is from the Bootstrap. And secondly, you have to upload the font awesome CDN from the bootstrap cdn.com. So here you can write manually from my video. Okay. And then in this class that I will use item book. Okay, and inside item book we got the icon, which is span class icon, and fr book. We try, there's a book, right? And after that we need the title of the book, Lord of the Ring. Okay, I think I will decrease by header for this. And after that, we will have the description about the books. But I want to make it more small description. Okay, this is enough. Okay, and then as you can see here, we created the class for item book. So we are going to design this item of books to make it more beautiful. So just copy this item dash book into the style.css, and you have to setting up the background, which is f1 f1 f1, border radius 8 pixel. So you got the background like this, and you have to setting the padding top is 30, left 0, right 0, bottom 30. And text align have to be center. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is 30 and this is 0. If 0, you don't have to write pixel. Okay, nice. But I think that I have to get the padding here. Padding left and right. Okay, I will write. So basically I will make it like this. Okay. And in item book we have icon. So we copy. So item book and icon. We're setting the font size to be bigger than before. Okay, so this is for the icon. Okay, and item book have the margin bottom 30 pixel. And after that we have the title, right? This is class for the title. So in the icon, item book and title has the margin bottom 20 pixel. So you got like this. Okay, cool, right? And then I want to setting this design. I want to change the background more softer. Okay, we use F9 for the background. We use F9 F9 F9. Okay, like this. And then we have to setting the margin. So item book here have the margin 30 pixel. Okay, I think for the margin top, okay, and I'm trying to duplicate this item like this, and we have to setting the margin right. So that's why we have to setting in the CSS. This is top, this is left, this is right, and this is bottom, and this is right. Yeah, it's not enough unless we change it to the 3, 3, and 3. Okay, but I have to decrease the description to make it more minimalist design. Okay, so actually in this video you're not only learn about the logical thinking, but you're gonna learn about the design. So margin right, okay, so try to, okay, I think we can make it 0. Okay, nice. So this is only dummy, and in the later on we will design based on the data that we got from JS. But first of all, I wanna create the menu short here. So instead of the app, we're gonna to create below of the row here. We're gonna create call and search here, search, and Vue model search, placeholder search book. Okay, like this. Nice. Okay, so after that you're able to search book here as a real time. Nice. So let's move to the JavaScript. First of all, we have to provide the data for our okay, be pretending that we got the data from database, right? So in this video we write manually in the custom.js. So here have to be data and then function like this, right? And then here we have to return the data like this. And first we create the variable of search, and then we got the my books. Okay, in the my book have to be an array because we provide a lot of data here. So first of all ID, secondly is name, which is Lord ring. Okay, and okay, so first I want to make like this, and then after that description. We can use lorem ipsum, right, from this. Yeah, for dummy only. I don't know how to write it. Okay, it's only for dummy. Nice. And we spare it by comma because we want to duplicate this data. Okay, you got a lot of data here. Once more. Okay, nice. So the second ID have to be Apple Boy, and the third have to be order book, maybe cash flow, and has to be 4. Okay, as you can see here, I got a lot of data from the JavaScript, which is ID 0 to 8. The data got different ID and name, but the dash I keep it same because I don't know what can I write there for the description, but you can also write your own. So we're going back to the index.html to manipulate the DOM. So we're gonna to use the fee load, fee for looping the data from JavaScript. First of all, we just need to delete this, and in the item book we have to looping, and looping, right? So here have to be fee and for and book in my books. Okay, we save it and try, and you got a lot of data here. The data is X, okay, right? But the data haven't changed yet because we haven't created the special character from the Vue.js. So here have to be this, and this is have to be book name. Okay, you got a lot here, and this one we can duplicate here. Oops, book this, and you got the description, but it's same, right? Okay, let me change several words, just remove to make it different. Okay, just make it different so you can see the difference of data. Nice, cool. Now the question is, are we able to find the book that we want to read as a real time? Yes, indeed. We can use the JavaScript here, but it's a little hard for me and for you also as a beginner, but just follow the video and as long you will understand. Okay, first in the data you click here and we have to find the clause. Oh, okay, here we go. We spare it by comma, and we are using the computed here, and we got the name which is filtered book. Okay, and function. Okay, actually last time that we have learned about the methods, right, for the user handling. In this case we are using computed as the filter book, and then last time that we learned about computed about the ordering. Yeah, so in this case we are using the filter. So we declare new variable which is self this, and we return this because from here self this, from here we got from here, right, my books. Okay, so here my books, and we have to get the name because we want to searching by name, right? So name, and we have to make it to lowercase first to easy to find. Okay, so if the character become lowercase, it's not being sensitive, sorry, it's not being case sensitive, so you're able to find the data easily whenever you write it's nearby or closer with the key or with the C, yeah, like that. After that, sort by the index of the data and self search. This is search that we got from this. The string is still empty, but we got the string actually from this. So basically Vue model help us to throwing the value to throw here, and we got the data here. Okay, and to lowercase, yeah, the character that we are writing from here, whenever you write the capitalize, it become to lowercase because we convert from here. Okay, that 0. Okay, we're gonna save, and in here you have to change to filtered book. Okay, and something wrong here, let me check out. We're going to inspect and cancel. Oh, cannot read property to lowercase Vue JS. Okay, so we're going back to custom JS here. Well, I missed something here, that we haven't write and defined the filter function. So here have to be, okay, we select this, all of this, select this, and try again this my books filter and function. Yeah, we have to filter first function, and the name is name. Okay, sorry, book. Okay, and after that we have to write here like this. Okay, but just remove the this, just return my book's name and to lowercase and to lowercase. We try again. Okay, my books is not defined. Okay, try again. Why my book is not defined? Okay, we try to hard refresh. Okay, so we got error here. Let me check it out. Oh, I know, because currently we got the data from my books and we filter by the book, right? So the data, the property is name. So here if to be book name and here book name, right? So we try. Okay, nice. So we try apple or cash flow or cook. Okay, like this, right? But the question is, can we design the icon based on the book? Okay, can. First of all, we have to provide the icon here, icon cool, and we are using the fa, maybe Facebook. Okay, and here have to be book icon cool. Okay. Oh, nothing. So if to be, we are using the bind bind class book icon cool. Okay, nothing happens. Error. Oh, the template is error. So we have to find how to do this. Okay, basically if you want to add the dynamic icon with the font awesome in the Vue JS, you're able to provide the property first, which is icon cool, and the icon it depends on the book, right? But first of all, I need to create icon here at the class icon. Okay, and this is the icon, right? Ring. So we can find in font awesome icons. Then after that you can use this icon to the Vue.js. Okay, so first of all I want to use the basic or dummy icon. Okay, I will select like this, enter, paste. Nice, so fast, right? Boom. Okay, so actually you're able to change the icon, Twitter, or this is for the Apple, or this is for the WhatsApp, this is for the Messenger, this is for the whatever you want. Maybe we can find to use Instagram. Yeah, like this. Oh, like a king, we don't have Messenger. Maybe we have the Google Plus. It is actually the icon I got from here. At Versal, we can use this one. Just paste and allergies. Yeah, sorry, I randomly. Don't be mad. Okay. Yeah, you can use this icon basically. Address card, and then this is for the adjust. Okay. Okay, you got it. Nice, right? So you're just searching here or Joe. Nice, pretty nice. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry if I got a mistake in this video. I hope it was useful for you. So nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.